Your laptop turns on, you see the lights, hear the fan, but the screen stays completely black. Don't panic. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix it. No tools needed, no confusion. Just real fixes that work. Let's begin with the most common fix, a simple force restart. Press and hold the power button for 15 seconds until your laptop shuts down completely. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button again to turn it back on. Sometimes your laptop gets stuck in a frozen or sleep state with the screen off. A full power cycle forces it to reset everything and often brings the display back to life. If the screen is still black, try draining all static power. This is especially effective for laptops with built-in batteries. So first, shut down the laptop completely. Unplug the charger and any USB devices. Now press and hold the power button for 30 seconds continuously. Wait a few seconds. Now plug the charger back in and turn it on. This clears any leftover electric charge stuck in your hardware, which can stop the display from turning on. Only do this if you are comfortable opening your laptop. So first, power off the laptop. And now remove the back panel carefully. Locate the RAM sticks. Gently unclip and remove them. Use a clean eraser or cloth to wipe the golden contacts gently. Now reinsert the RAM firmly back into the slot and close the panel. Now we have to do the same process with this RAM as well. Now carefully close the back panel. Reconnect the power and turn your PC back on to check if the issue is resolved. Loose or faulty RAM is a major cause of black screens. Resetting it often solves the issue in seconds. Now let's check if the issue is with Windows or your display hardware. So turn off your laptop. Press the power button and immediately start pressing the BIOS key repeatedly. Usually F2, escape, delete or F10 depending on your laptop's brand. If the BIOS screen appears, your display is working fine, which means Windows may be corrupted. This helps you confirm that it's not a display issue, but a software level problem instead. If your laptop screen is randomly going black but comes back again, it might be a graphics driver issue. So press Windows Ctrl Shift plus B together. And then you will hear a beep and the screen may be flash once. This shortcut resets the display driver instantly without restarting your laptop. It often fixes sudden black screen glitches. Still no display? The issue may be hardware related. Then use a flashlight and shine it on the screen at an angle. If you see a faint image, your screen backlight may be dead. If there's no image at all, it could be a loose or damaged display cable inside the laptop. If you want to know how to fix a loose or damaged display cable, then be sure to let me know in the comments and I'll make a detailed video about it. By following this method step by step, your black screen issue should be solved. If it worked for you, then hit the like, share and subscribe our channel for more powerful tech tutorial and fixes. Thanks for watching.